This week, the stadium is buzzing with progress. Key sections are moving fast, especially the upper structural levels and prefabricated seating. New beams, facade panels, and the compression ring are starting to take shape. Let's take a closer look at the biggest updates from this week and see how the stadium is coming together. This week, the Tribuna has remained one of the most active zones across the entire site, with multiple crews and machines working simultaneously on structural elements, support connections, and upper frameworks. Concrete operations have also taken place, contributing to steady progress. At the same time, connection points for lamella supports across the facade are now largely complete, with only final adjustments remaining before moving into the next stage of installing support brackets and lamella elements. This week, the third-tier prefabricated seating in the south stands has seen strong progress. A large portion of the seating units has already been installed, with only a few sections remaining. The structure is now almost fully formed, giving a clear view of how this tier will look once finished. Work on the compression ring has advanced notably, focusing on upper-level assembly. Key radial beams and segments are now being integrated, with teams aligning and securing them in place. The workflow above ground is smoother, allowing faster installation and visible progress. The ring's structure is becoming more defined, showing clear expansion in its upper sections. Anchoring systems for lamellas have progressed rapidly across key sections. Areas that were previously incomplete are now nearly finished, with only minor portions remaining. This marks a major step forward, as these anchors are essential for the upcoming installation of facade elements. Facade panel installation has shown one of the most noticeable improvements. Several black panels have been completed within a short period, while additional sections have already reached mid-installation. The workflow here is now more efficient, with visible acceleration compared to earlier stages of the project. The structural frame in the corner between North Goal and Tribuna continues to develop with the installation of new beams. The area is becoming more defined as additional elements are added, gradually forming the base for future vertical systems such as elevators. Preparation for lamella supports is advancing with steady progress across multiple beams. Steel connection elements have already been installed in several sections, while remaining areas are being treated and finalized. In the south corner, sandwich panel installation continues at a consistent pace. While some sections are still incomplete, crews are actively working with panels and using connected platforms across different levels. The setup in this area now allows smoother workflow, which should help accelerate installation in the coming days. At the north goal, visible changes in lamella placement remain limited, but steady work continues in upper sections. Crews are focused on beam preparation, surface treatment, and alignment tasks. These activities are essential before continuing with further structural or facade installation. Inside the north goal, anchor installation and surface preparation continue steadily. Elevated platforms are being used to access higher sections, ensuring work progresses across multiple levels. Although less visible, this work remains critical for overall structural readiness. At the south goal, the upper slab section is now fully covered with formwork panels, marking the completion of this structural phase. Although visible changes from ground level remain limited, work continues above and within internal corridors. Overall, the project continues to build strong momentum, with key systems such as the compression ring, anchoring structures, and seating areas progressing together. With preparation work nearing completion in several zones, the next phase is expected to bring faster and more visible changes across the stadium.